Is it possible to crochet something with this tiny bit of yarn? This little ball is worsted weight yarn, and I'm using a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. And that will be the first V-stitch. Turn the work. Slip stitch between these 2 stitches. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Double crochet in the same stitch. Now you're going to repeat that. Turn the work. Slip stitch between the 2 stitches. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And double crochet. You're going to continue to do that. Slip stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet. Turn the work, slip, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet. Like that. Now just keep repeating this. And when I'm finished, I'm going to slip stitch in that center stitch and fasten off. And this used approximately 2.5 yards of yarn. Use this as a bookmark or a bracelet. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.